So you're given the equation, C equals 45 plus 3D. What does C represent? The total cost. And D represents what? Number of days. So, without even reading the question or looking further ahead, what is the initial cost? If that's the equation, if there are 0 days that have passed, what is the initial cost? The initial cost is $45, right? If 0 days have gone by, you have to pay $45. Every time a new day passes, what is the rate of change? $3. Thank you. If you can answer these questions, you will ace your exam. You understand the rate of change and you understand the initial value. So, which of these following is true? We're going to do a true and false again. Is it true that the total cost is $48 every day? This is false because you start with 45 and then you go up by 3 every single day. The cost changes by $3 every day. Is it true that the total cost is $45 for 3 days? No, it's $45 for how many days? 0 days, right? The initial fee was 45, so this is false. Is it true that the total cost is made up of a $45 fixed fee and then $3 per day? Yes. Let's just check the last one to make sure. Is the total cost made up of a $3 initial fee and then $45 per day? No. So the correct answer is C. Okay, so this is the equation. C equals 10 plus 0.15n. N represents the number of text messages. And C is the total cost. So what do these numbers mean? What does 10 represent? What does 10 represent? It's the fixed fee. So what does that mean in relation to the text messages? If you have no text messages, you still got to pay the $10, right? Okay. And then how much is a text message every month? Sorry, not every month. How much does a text message cost? Every time you send a text message, how much do you pay? What does that mean? 15 cents per text. So if you have 25 text messages, I want you all to right now calculate what is the cost if you're going to send 25 text messages. Well, we know it's 15 cents for every text message, but then you also have to add the $10 for the fixed fee. It's $10 plus 15 cents per text message. I want everyone to tell me what is the total cost if you send 25 messages. If it's 15 cents for every message and you send 25 messages, how much is that? What's 15 cents times 25? How much? $3.75. Plus we have to add the 10. So yes, the correct answer is $13.75. Good. Any questions? She has a snow shoveling business and she has to pay $5 for advertising. If she's paying for the advertising, that means she's losing that money. She has to subtract the $5 from whatever she's making, right? She charges $5 per driveway. N represents the number of driveways. So she's making $15 for every driveway, but then she's losing that $5 because she had to pay to advertise. So what is the correct answer? A, B, C? Correct. This shows us that it's $15 per driveway, and then we're taking away the $5 fee that she had to pay. Yes. She's selling ice cream bars, and she earns, this is the equation, 2N. What does N represent? Number of ice cream bars. So how much does she make for every ice cream bar she sells? The equation is E equals 2N plus 15. How much does she make per ice cream bar? Thank you. $2 per bar. And then she receives an extra $15 as her initial fee. Correct? Which statement is true? Is it true that she receives a base pay, initial pay of $17? Is that true or false? Why? What is her base pay? Her base pay is actually $15, not $17. Does she make $17 for for every ice cream bar she sells? How much does she make for every ice cream bar, Jeff? She makes $2. Good. So that's also false. Is she paid a base pay of $2 and then she gets an extra $15 per each bar? No, that's incorrect. Is she paid a base pay of $15 plus the $2 per ice cream bar? Yes. So that is correct. So D was the correct answer.